today we will be discussing about the while loop. So, actually there is three types of loops: while loop, do while loop, and for loop. A loop is a portion of a program that repeats a statement or a group of statements is called a loop. And let me introduce to you the while loop or its definition. The while loop is repeated while the Boolean expression in the parentheses is satisfied. So the while loop statement. A while statement has the following syntax. The while, and inside the parentheses is a condition and statement. So if the condition is true, the statement is executed. Then the condition is evaluated again, and if it is still true, the statement is executed again. The statement is executed repeatedly until the condition becomes false. So here is an example of a flowchart of logic of a while loop. So the condition is evaluated here, and if it is true, the statement will evaluated again and again until it becomes false.
Okay, gagawa tayo ng multiplication table using while loop statement in C++ language. But first, type muna natin ang syntax ng C++ language. Ngayon, gagamit tayo ng tatlong variables para makapag-execute tayo ng output. Okay guys, ilalagay na natin yung while loop syntax at yung condition. Okay, maglalagay tayo ng increment. num2 is equal to num2 plus 1. Or pwede namang num2 plus plus. So, tapos na tayong mag-code. Yang mga yan po ay mga numbers. Yan. Mga numbers po yan. Tapos, yan naman po ay ang while loop at ang condition. Kapag yung num2 is not equal to num3, then the condition is becomes true. So, mag-i-increment siya or mag-plus 1 siya. Kapag naman nag-false yung condition, automatic mag-i-end siya. I-run na natin. Kung ano man ang ilalagay mong number dyan sa multiplication table number, automatic lahat ng kanyang sagot ay lalabas na nakamultiply from 1 to 10. For example, maglalagay tayo ng number na 5. Oh, kitams? Galing ko, 'di ba? Hehe. Yan po ay ang multiplication table of 5. So, let's try another table numbers. Ilalagay natin na multiplication table number is 10. O, 'di ba, nagmultiply din siya from 1 to 10 numbers. So, yun lang guys. Sana may matutunan kayo.
So now I'm gonna explain this program named Sum of Positive Numbers only. This program is to find the sum of positive numbers. If the user enter a negative number, the loop ends. The negative number entered is not added to the sum. You can see that in this program, the user is prompted to enter a number which is stored in the variable number. In order to store the sum of the numbers, we declare a variable sum and initialize it to the value of 0. The while loop continues until the user enter a negative number. During each iteration, the number entered by the user is added to the sum variable. When the user enter a negative number, the loop terminates. Finally, the total sum is displayed. Ibig sabihin, titigil lang ang loop kapag nag-enter tayo ng negative number. So now, let's run our program. At dito nga nakalagay enter a number. So maglalagay tayo ng number. At ngayon, nakita natin na sa paglagay natin ng negative number which is 2, ay tumigil na ang loop. At nag-add yung tatlong number na nilagay natin which is positive. At ang kabuuan naman ay 20. At yun nga po, natapos na ang ating program. Name sum of positive numbers only.
Okay, gagawa po tayo ng example ng infinite loop in C++ program. Una, i-type muna natin yung syntax na. The body of a while loop eventually must make the condition false. If not, it is called infinite loop, which will execute until the user interrupts the program. This is a common logical semantic error. You should always double check the logic of a program to ensure that your loops will terminate normally. In this infinite loops example, this loop will continue executing until interrupted, Control C, or until on under low error occurs. So, kung i-run po natin ito pong magiging resulta. So, ayan po, as you can see, may timeout po na nakalagay sa itaas. So, it means successful po yung program natin. Kasi ang infinite loop po is may mag-o-occur na example, yan timeout. Kasi, bali, i-stop nyo yung lalabas na result or yung numbers.
Unang-una, ilalagay muna natin ang syntax ng C++. Pagkatapos, maglalagay tayo ng isang variables. Pagkatapos, mag-seek out statement tayo. Pagkatapos, mag-i-input tayo ng number or values dun sa variables na countdown. Ngayon, ilalagay na natin ang while loop syntax at ang condition. Pagkatapos, mag-seek out statement tayo doon sa loob ng syntax ng while loop. So, ayan. At ang importante sa while loop ay ang increment at decrement. Ang increment ay ang pagpa-plus 1. At ang decrement ay magma-minus siya, pero not totally na mag-minus siya. Tingnan po natin ito. Ayan. Decrement po ang ating ginamit dahil 0 po ang nilalagay natin sa condition. Magkaiba po ang increment at decrement. Kapag nirun natin ang program, so, try natin po. I-run natin yung program na ginawa natin. Save. Tapos, i-run natin. Pause. Ngayon, kapag nag-input tayo ng kahit anong numbers, for example, mag-input tayo ng 5, pagkatapos automatic mag-execute yung statement. Statement natin ng 5 beses, katulad din ng sa increment. Pero magkaiba lang yung pamamaraan nila sa pag-execute ng mga statement. So, balik tayo. Ang increment kasi, nag-e-execute siya pababa. At ang decrement naman, nag-e-execute siya ng sunod-sunod. So, yun lang po. Sana may matutunan kayo. Thank you and God bless.